Today I'm going to show you the secret to a healthy sleek bun. Keyword healthy. Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sure by now we've all seen how popular the sleek bun has become. It's one of those styles that you can just wear to pretty much any event, any time of day, anywhere. Like, it's just so versatile. It's also super easy, which we love, but unfortunately this hairstyle can be very damaging if you're not doing it the right way, and I want to help the girlies out. So today I'm going to share 3 easy steps you can follow to make sure you are getting a healthy sleek bun every time. Let's get into it. Step number 1 is to wet your hair, and I'm not just talking about your hair being damp. I'm not just talking about it being wet in some spots. I mean wet, like soaked. My hair is already kind of damp because I started spraying it with water before I press record. But I'm going to show you the extent of what I'm talking about, like just how wet you want your hair to be. So notice how I'm sectioning through my hair. I'm lifting pieces up to make sure I'm getting every single part of my hair soaking wet. Okay, look at this. You see this? We're dripping. That's what we want. And this is gonna make even more sense once you see step 2. Step number 2 is to add moisture to your hair. Now, I believe that you only really need one product for this. So it can be a leave-in conditioner, it could be a gel, it could be a cream, it could be a mousse. Generally, I try to stick with products that I know work for me and like actually moisturize my hair. So whatever product you decide to use, you just wanna make sure that it's gonna give you some slip. So today I'm using Olaplex number 3. Shake. And I'm not shy with this. It is Olaplex, so I don't want to overdo it, but I do have pretty thick curly hair, so I'm not shy with the product. You want to use a good amount. This part is pretty self-explanatory. You just apply the product all over your hair. Make sure you're getting it thoroughly applied, and again, apply a good amount of it. I also like to put a little extra on my ends because those tend to be the most dry, especially because I am just going to be like locking them up into a bun. I want to make sure they're staying hydrated and protected while they're up. Okay, now this is the part where you will realize how important it is that your hair is wet before you start this, especially if you have curly hair like me or just really tangled hair. Time to detangle. So now I'm just detangling my hair, starting from the ends, working my way up. And this is why it's so important to make sure that your hair is wet before you start this. Because if you just have a little bit of water here and a little bit of water there, it's gonna be a lot harder to detangle your hair, first of all. And you're also probably gonna get a lot more breakage because your hair is not properly hydrated and moisturized. So the product and the water really work well together to help you detangle it and make sure you are preventing damage and you're keeping your cuticle nice and smooth. Now, step number 3, which we kind of already started, is to brush it into place. Now you can use a detangling brush or just whichever brush you have. I personally like to use a boar bristle brush. This one is perfect for sleek buns because I do have really naturally curly hair, so it helps smooth it out, but you can just use whatever brush you have. So the first thing you want to do is decide if you want to have a part. Today I'm gonna leave it without a part because I've been doing a lot of styles with middle parts lately and I'm trying to save my hairline. Not be bald. So I'm just gonna brush mine all back. So this is where you can just get the hairs going the way that you want, get everything smoothed out. So now that I have it brushed into the spot that I kind of want my bun to be, I'm gonna take my smoothing boar brush, which again, you don't have to do this. This is my personal favorite step. Really smoothing it all out like that. And then you can just take a regular hairband. I'm using these ones from Luxie. These are really good for like keeping my hair up and holding it tight, but they're also soft, so like they don't damage my hair. From here, I'm just literally doing a ponytail like this. And then I'm gonna turn that ponytail into a bun. The hard part is over from here. Wrap the ponytail around itself like that. And I'm taking a bobble hair tie. I love these little bobbles. Do a couple of loops around like that. I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm not like too worried about how this actually looks. I just needed something quick, which is why this hairstyle is so perfect. Like, it makes you look so put together, but it also takes like 2 minutes. And of course from here you can also add bobby pins or whatever accessories you want to do, but that is pretty much it, you guys. So that's like 3 easy steps to making sure that you get a smooth, sleek bun and also keeping your hair healthy in the process, because to me, that is always the most important thing, keeping your hair healthy. So that is it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure to comment down below if you have any video ideas you want me to do next. And until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I'm gonna need to change my shirt. I'm soaked.